Hello, friendly friends, and a big shout out to Tabletop Battle for sending me this. They are a big supporter of the channel, and hey, you can also get some sweet deals on them, 50% off on stuff they have in store. Just check out my Patreon, and we will have good stuff coming to you. All right, let's dig into this thing here: the Snotling Blood Bowl team, Mighty Crud-Creek Nosepickers. All right, so I don't know too much about this team here. I actually have no clue how good they are, anything like this. This is just going to be a quick look at them. There are 20 miniatures in this box here. Yeah, holy shit. It's amazing. And what you can see here, this is 100% how big they are. So they're a bit small. Pump wagon, we get 2 of them, 2 of the Snotling Lightning Men, 2 of that version, 2 of that version, 2 of that version, 2 of that version, 2 of that version. Bang. Fungus Flinger 2 times, Fun Hopper 2 times, Steel Field Runner 2 times, 4 times the ball, 2 of each, and turn and reroll markers, 2 of them. There's a lot of stuff in here, and they are so amazing. You have a lot of opportunity to hobby with them, and that's why I bought them. No clue how they work as a team for Blood Bowl, but it's going to be very interesting to have a little look at them. So we have 2 open slots here that can put balls on. Everybody else have very small bases here. So that's interesting. This tells me this team is all about the shenanigans. Okay, so yeah, okay. So this tells me there are two sprues, then a copy of that sprue. So you have like a clone of the same sprue. So let's go with the same type of sprue. And so this is the same sprue, yeah. So we take that away, one of them, and we can look a little bit deeper inside what's inside this sprue. And holy shit, they have packed it hard. And look at that, there's a slingshot, there is a one with the stilts, we have a dude pointing. There's a lot of things going on the sprues, and it just makes me very happy to look at them. So of course, yeah, hey, you can do Blood Bowl with this. Yeah, Blood Bowl is a thing you can do, but you also can mix those in and make them, if you have a goblin team or something, if you are playing other games, these are a very great addition to the collection if you like goblins. So yeah, this is a newer type of box. It comes out in 2020 with what's all that's about. Let's actually open up the leaflet, and we're going to turn it around. And I do believe these are the updated prices for what they cost and everything like that. Yep, you have cost here and stuff like that. Interesting. So we have bribery and corruption, low-cost lineman, and underworld challenge. Actually don't know what anything of that means, but interesting. And here we have how to build a pump wagon. That's actually a long build. Interesting. You have how you build the, let's see, how you build the different things. There's a lot of things going on here. There is a lot of hours with fun painting and contemplating. And the pump wagon is actually the thing that needs a lot of attention. You get 2 of those. That's very interesting. So let's go into we have 2 of the same sprue here again. And this are the pump wagon. And yeah, there's a lot of lovely bits here, and you can do a lot of fun stuff. You can see already they have stolen from Bugman the 4x strong bear. Amazing. And you have mushrooms sticking into the wood, and this is just hours of fun with painting and building. And yeah, this is a super hobby spruce. Awesome. So hey, thank you all for watching my video, and we are going to stop this video with this one. Big shout out to everybody that are my Patreons. Big ups for you guys and girls. A big thank you to Tabletop Battle for being the sponsor of the channel, and Reaper Miniatures, and a little shout out to Gaming Klubben. Hey, have a good day. Bye.